Hey, you guys, come on in. Come on in. Let me pause this. All right. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry. This morning we actually had a rush first thing in the morning. And then even now I was trying to go live at 4, but I wanted to do this specific talk here in the spa lobby because I want to show you guys the things that I'm about to tell you. So today's topic is really about turning your spa lobby into a profit generating zone. And you guys, everything about what you do should be adding to the experience, but it also should be designed in such a way that it's going to drive revenue into your business. So the first thing I wanted to do is just give you guys a quick glimpse at our lobby, and then I'm going to show you the things that we do to make it generate revenue. So one is this. When you first walk in, okay, you see our screen that actually talks about the different services we offer, the different packages we offer, okay? And then when you come in, they're able to sit so that they can take a couple seconds to actually look at the things we offer, the sculpting services, the hair removal treatments. Then you come to the lobby. The first thing that clients notice when they walk in is this. This is our diffuser, which has the amazing smells going on in here, and I'll show you why that's important in a second. Now, most clients don't see these until the end, but these talk about our spa parties so that people know we do group bookings. And then this one talks about our memberships, okay? And then also when the clients are here, they can see our socials to connect with us, and they can scan to pay. Very nice and easy. And then part of our lobby experience, that's actually our restroom right there, is our retail. So retail is right here. Now also, you guys, this is our hallway. I haven't given y'all a full tour of the spa. So when they're coming from back here where they're getting their services, the first thing they see on their way to the lobby is the retail space, okay? So let me talk a little bit about why that's important and kind of what we do here to make these things generate profit, okay? So the first thing is, when your clients are walking into your space, they want to see that it's clean, it's beautiful, and that smell is going to hit them. So we have created our own scents. We sell our own scents. So they sell themselves, right? So you want to make sure that you leverage the power of sampling and scents. So they can smell it, they fall in love with it. Where can I get this from? People say every day. Actually, 2 of the clients today was like, I wish my house smelled like this. And I was like, well, it can. We actually create those and we sell them, okay? So that's an easy upsell. We generate an additional, I would say about 4,000 or 5,000 a month in just retail sales, okay? So that's in addition to the spa services, because it's right here for them. You're making it easy for them to understand what the products are, how it relates to what you do. There's also an additional thing we do here at the lobby that I'm going to share with y'all. But while I'm looking for that paper, you want to make sure that you have attractive shelving so that it looks nice and clean. Your clients are excited to see what's on the shelf. You want to have a couple of products, not everything, but a couple of products available for your clients to try out so that they can say, oh, I love the way this smells. I love the way it feels. And then during your treatments, which like with our slimming products, we will always use the product on the client. So they're like, oh, is this the product that you put on me? Okay. So transform your lobby into a retail experience that's nice and clean. They can see the products. There's a couple products that they can test. That makes it easier for you. Monetizing the waiting experience, you guys, that's the television. So you may have booked a facial but didn't realize that we offer laser services, that we offer body sculpting services. But while you're sitting here in the lobby, you're getting the opportunity to see those things, okay? You also want to make sure, you guys, that with your team, that you are training your team to sell, because that helps. Or you're training yourself to sell. Use tools that make it easier for you to sell. So this is one thing that I created. and I recommend you guys do something similar, okay? So this is just like a little prescription pad. You can use any kind you want. This is just something I created. But you want to create something where after your clients get a facial or after they get a sculpting treatment, and I actually have one for sculpting. Let me see if I can pull that one out. But after they get a sculpting treatment, you can say, here's what we, oh, yep, it's right here. It's perfect. Hold on, let me show this to y'all. This is the one for sculpting, okay? Corrective skincare and non-invasive sculpting treatments. Here's today's summary. Here's the recommendation. Here's the product recommendation and any additional notes. Sorry, that's my hair. But it's nice and easy for clients to see, okay, this is what we did today. This is what I'm recommending. These are the products I recommend. And it's written out for them so that they can take that home with them, right? In addition to that, like I showed you guys before, they're right above my head. You need to have signage that shows something exclusive or something that clients can get later, okay? So you love the experience so much, maybe you want to bring a couple of friends or maybe have an event coming up. Well, here's the spa party prices. Or you loved it so much, but today your facial was $150. Maybe you don't want to pay that. We have $99 memberships, okay? So your lobby should be nice and clean. It should be an experience in itself, but it should be revenue generating. So whether it's through specials that you're offering, something really cool that they can see, or through your retail space, like I was saying before, I showed you guys, you know, the retail space is right here in front of the bathroom so that it's easy for the clients to see. You know, we talk about retail here so that they can easily see this is what we recommend for you. You just want to make it easy for you to generate revenue in your lobby. The best thing that you can do is make life easier on yourself. It would be amazing if you could make $100,000 but only do $50,000 worth of services, and the other $50,000 is just simply from products that you are carrying or recommending, okay? So you have to think beyond your immediate, I'm doing services. Okay, well, what happens when services slow down? Or what happens when you physically can't do services? Then you need to have products and other things that can help you generate. And then the last thing, you guys, is host monthly micro events or bi-monthly, something small where it's like a little sip and shop. If you are paying for a retail space, you want to be able to do something where you can generate money in that space. Why do I need to go pay for an event venue when I'm paying all this money for my retail space, right? And even if, let's say you are in a salon suite where you only have one room, okay, you only have one space, one room, you can still do some really small sip and shops and say, come, you know, try out the vibration plate for free. Come try out the high EMT for $20 today. It's normally $200. Some kind of way to get clients to come in and do a body contouring and glow night. And even if you're in one room, you can very easily turn that one room into a small retail experience space or a small sip and shop space. Even if you only invite your 5 top VIP clients or your 5 top potential clients, there are ways to monetize outside of your service room. So start thinking outside of the box and thinking about how you can generate revenue in such a way that you're not always having to be in the service room, because it will help you to bring your revenue to a new level when you think about it that way. So that's all I had today, you guys, was just going over, like I said, products, signage, having the opportunity to do add-ons or showing different things on your screen. And you guys, that's a TV. It's just a TV, and I put a USB with a presentation that we did on Canva. It does not have to be fancy. Don't overthink it. But once again, you guys, I'm just going to show you because I know a few people have been coming in and out. So that's the TV that has all of the services we offer. And then, you know, clients are sitting here drinking water, filling out their paperwork while they're, you know, watching the screen. And then from there, they can also see the retail wall there, okay? And then when they're actually here and checking out, they typically look this direction and see all the specials. And like I said, when they first walk in, we have the diffuser set up so that they can smell things, and we sell those products as well. So it doesn't just have to be, you know, your slim and sculpting products. What are some other retail things that you can add to enhance clients' experience and enhance your retail? Okay, so that's what I have for y'all. I hope that you have an amazing day. I'm sorry I wound up doing Technique Tuesday late today, but I'm going to actually do a more technique-based talk next week. So if there's a specific service or technique that you want me to talk about or maybe demo, feel free to comment below or ask more questions in the group, and we'll get those things scheduled. Y'all have an amazing day. Talk to you later.